Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KV, CEO of Fibocan. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, Vetri, innovative investment strategies, SOFAR, Sonifar, and Bomits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies, and many of our clients have immensely benefited using it regardless of the market conditions. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen, which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end. Don't stop in between. Click the bell icon so that you will get notification the moment I put my video. Encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Why? Because the benefits that you are getting, let your friends and relatives and known person also get the same benefits. Because after all, it is free of cost. So today is September 9, 2022, Friday. In this video, we will be discussing about the market performance for this day. Today, after a significant up move yesterday, the market opened the gap up and it stayed above. And in the case of BankNifty, it moved above the Bollinger Upper Band and stayed above the Bollinger Upper Band till the end of the day, which signifies that the undertone is very strong. Some of the components, like for example, even BankNifty, if one were to say that, some people can argue that it is a reversal candle. Yes, it can be a reversal candle provided Monday there is a gap down opening, you can consider it as a first reversal. But normally when the trend has begun and when it is closing above and above the Bollinger Upper Band, it is normally a continuation pattern rather than a reversal pattern. Anyway, we have to wait for confirmation, which we will get only on Monday. Many of the components of BankNifty and Nifty also moved up significantly, particularly banking components like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank. Everything moved up significantly, which is why we saw such a strong up move. Nifty, though it opened a gap up, it moved only 2 points above and then it settled down lower. Nifty closed at 17,833.30, remained flat, while Bank Nifty moved up 0.5%, 4041.70. So the undertone is very strong. We don't know how far this strength will be there, because in the weekly chart, when we look upon the weekly chart, Bank Nifty is just touching the Bollinger Upper Band. This signifies it's in a strong up move, and in the monthly chart it is just near the Bollinger Upper Band. So hence it is on a strong up move. Nifty on the other hand, in the daily chart it is just moving towards the upper band. It formed a kind of a red candle, a hanging man type of candle you can call, or a slightly reversal candle, but as I said, it is a continuation pattern unless otherwise proven wrong on Monday if there is a gap down opening. Now let's look at the individual components. Banks, IDFC and Yes Bank fell 1%, while Axis Bank, Federal Bank moved up by 1%, SBI jumped up by 2%, and IndusInd Bank jumped up by 3%. Finance, as I mentioned, banking, everything is strong. Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, Chola Finance, HDFC, L&T Finance all fell 1%. IDFC fell 2%, while Shriram Transport had a 3% fall. LIC Housing Finance jumped up by 1% and M&M Finance moved up by 2%. Insurance and cards, everything was down today. HDFC Life, ICICI General, ICICI Pru 1% down, while SBI Life and cards fell 2%. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance remained flat today, but it is Bharti in particular is on a strong uptrend. IT, if you recollect, I have been telling for the few days that IT is looking that a small recovery or a turnaround might come. It is not a reversal. Please understand that there is some technical bounce back that is happening in all the IT components, which we could see that in HCL Tech yesterday, day for yesterday, and Infi yesterday, and yesterday we saw in Techem. Today we had good move. Apple down 1%, while TCS and Wipro moved up by 1%. Emphasis, Coforge, HCL, Infi, and Intellect jumped up by 2%. Birlasoft, LTA, Mindtree, Techem 3% up. LTTS up by 4%. So overall today IT contributed to Nifty and supported Nifty. Otherwise Nifty would have fallen much more. On the consumer, Bata India, Page India, Pidilite and Titan fell 1%. Trend fell 2%, PVR fell 3%, ABFR up by 1%. PVR, if you recollect, I told that it is looking that the selling was arrested, but again, once again, the selling started today because in the daily chart, it was hovering around the Bollinger middle band, and yesterday it formed a green candle. Looked like that there was some reversal, at least short term up move was coming, but it didn't happen because today was weekly expiry and it formed a solid red candle, shooting star type of candle in the weekly chart. This means that the PVR, the downtrend is still intact unless otherwise we see strong reversal happening, because another 10 to 12 trading days only is there in this month, 14 days, after which the next month will come. And in the monthly chart, if it goes below the exponential moving average, we can expect further downfall in October and November also. Hence PVR, one has to be very cautious. Automobiles, M&M fell 1%, while Ashok Leyland, Eicher Motor, Tata Motors and TVS Motors up by 1%, Maruti up by 2%, Bharat Forge 3%. Here I want to highlight Tata Motors. It is technically looking weak, though it moved up by 1%. Hence, one will be better off monitoring Tata Motors or staying away from Tata Motors. Metals. In the metals pack, everything jumped up today. Hindalco, NMDC and SAIL up by 1%, while Vedanta jumped up by 2%. Other stocks remained flat. Health and Pharma, Lalpath down 1%, Apollo Hospitals and Divi's 1% up. Thyrocare 2% up. Here Apollo Hospital is just hovering around the 200-day moving average now. Once it takes out that decisively, we can see a decisive up move. Same is the case with the Berger Paints also. It is also looking strong. If crude is going to remain weak for some more time, we can see significant up move coming in Berger Paints as well. On the others category, 1% down in LNG and Jubilant Food, 2% down in Ultratech, and 1% up in Polycab. Adani Ports and Zomato jumped up by 2%. We have been highlighting Polycab for quite some time, and that is on a good up move, and this up move will continue for some more time. One day it goes up and next day it comes down. It is like a zigzag. It's like it's going up, but it's on an uptrend. Any fall that happens in an uptrend, it is an opportunity to enter for small investors. With all these things, what do we expect for the option expiry on September 15th, that is next week Thursday? The lower side it can be easily said, upper side we'll be able to tell only after we get some amount of confirmation on Monday, but nevertheless we are trying to give an upper range slightly on the higher side, but lower side we are pretty confident. BankNifty 39,200.40 on the lower side, it will not close below this level in this week. On the upper level 41,920.30. Nifty 17,476.40 on the lower side and 18,324.83. I don't think Nifty will go to that level in this week, but nevertheless we are giving that level because we need some data points to say that what is the level that it can maximum go in this week. If you recollect, the last 1 month we have been telling 17,354.10. Now we have moved this level up by slightly more. The reason being, it is financial year 21-22 close is somewhere around 17,476 level. Thank you very much for watching my video.
Audio Jungle.